Zach, and I have another kind of update, I guess. I did when I was installing the lights on my Yeti score. I accidentally cut a wire, so I'm going to show you how to solder that wire. So I have my dad here helping. So okay, so if I just line that up like that, I need my solder gun and solder and a sponge to wipe off the extra solder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of load that up, get solder on here, get solder on the gun. Ooh, smoking a little. And get solder on this. Like that. And then wipe it off on the sponge. A little bit more here. Yeah. Get a little bit.
You feed. I'll.
Nope. I got it. Yep. No, it's fine. I just had to get a little bit more wire there, and then get the gun hot. Oh. Just like that.
Okay.
Darn it. There we go. And then
You're just gonna come apart again.
There we go. That looks good. Wipe it off on my sponge. Dad, can you unplug this piece?
Mm-hmm.
And then lay the solder back down. That looks good. And then it was just a wire to my receiver.
We're going to lay it with some tape.
And then we'll put some electrical tape on it. And then it's done. There you go. That is just a short video on how to solder, I guess, a wire. And I'm also going to solder that one wire that that was on the body, which is over there by my dad. Thank you for watching, and that is another video.